Hello guys, and what's up? And today I'll be teaching you how to use low quality vocals maybe recorded from a phone and make them sound a bit professional, or at least to some extent. What I'm going to be talking about here is basically cleaning up the background noise. Here are some vocals I have for my upcoming track. The tempo is 144, so first you want to match the tempo. Obviously that's what you want to do first. I'm not the best guy at matching tempos, but I try my best. So what you want to do is, once you have your vocals loaded in, if you listen to them, give them a listen over here. They have all this background noise. So to clear this, what we're going to do is load this in Edison. And now there will be something like this. You want to go into the waveform or the spectral view, which should be the third circle over here on the top. Now we know that this portion is the one which has no vocals but only background noise. If you select this, so we're going to select this, and now we're going to right click on denoise. This is going to acquire us the noise profile of this region. So what we have done now is this, basically that Edison now knows that this is the region we need to clear up, like this frequency, like this background noise. This is what we need to clear up from this whole thing. So you want to deselect that region because you want to make this work for the whole audio. You want to left click on denoise. It's going to open this window, clean up. So you need to make sure your denoiser is on, declicker should be off, declipper should be off, and threshold should be about at 0 dB, which is by default. Not gonna mess that. Amount by default should be at about here, like 12 o'clock. Now if I preview this, it has cleaned up a bit. If I click output noise only, I can use that to check how much of the noise has been cleared up. If output is checked, that means what will be played in the preview is the noise which will not be heard and which is being cleaned up. So this is a noise which has been cleaned up. So if you listen to it, it still has a bit of background noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can hear it. So I'm going to increase the amount a bit. If I preview this, you can see here there is a bit noise, but that's enough. Like, you can't hear it. So if I go output noise, there you go. A lot of it has been cleaned up. So we're going to deselect output noise only, and we're going to accept this. It's going to take some time because the recording is a bit long. Should I keep on talking while it denoises it? I don't know. Whatever. Alright guys. So once denoising is complete, you can see that the vocals have cleared up, like really cleared up. See this? This is now what we have. This is cleared up a lot. See? If I now play it, so yes, cleared up. You can then play around with the vocals the way you do, working on the mix down, and you can improve the quality, like to a very certain extent that it sounds straight out of a professional studio while you're working at home. So that's it for today. Hope to see you guys soon with another tutorial. Any doubts you have, you can post them in the comment section below, whatever. Oh, thank you guys, and see you.